Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2019 Subaru Forester, stock reference number 4581. This shape runs from the 8th month 2018 and is the current shape. It has an FB 25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol boxer engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. FB 25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol boxer engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the left-hand front mag, factory 18-inch, has a flat tyre, left power door mirror, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish. Tailgate appears to have no damage, power lift type, factory fitted tow bar, supplied with ball bolts, brackets, loom and neck, less neck, rear bumper, park sensor type, tidy. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has one small dent. Right front door has two small dents. Right power door mirror and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory sat nav unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.